Back at the house, picked up a compressor, ended up going with a Craftsman, 2 horsepower, 175 max PSI, 120 volt. Should be good enough. Alright, I'm about to plug this thing in and break it in. Alright, so this thing is a 30-gallon air compressor. You got the drain valve loose. Might be the first time I start this thing. I am flip this thing on. It's supposed to be quiet. It's supposed to be quiet. Hopefully it don't piss off my neighbors. But here's the first start. Definitely a lot louder than what I thought, but I'm gonna let that break in, and then I'll get back to y'all. Now it's been 30 minutes, so I turn it off. I'm gonna tighten up the valve. I'm gonna let it build some pressure. Make sure this auto switch works. I don't know why they put this the hardest part to get to. Alright, time to turn this thing back on. Make sure it holds pressure. Get back to y'all once this thing finished building up pressure. Alright, so we back. We're gonna check on it, make sure it ain't leaking nothing. But taking pressure right where it should be. Regulate. Alright, so I got the compressor filled up. Bad news is it got a slight leak. Leak is coming from where the regulator is, right under it. Got a slight leak. So probably gotta make another trip up to Lowe's. Probably gotta swap that out. But for now, that's the end of this video. Catch you on the next one. Peace.